Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Hope you're doing well. Let's practice together. Full body mobility, flexibility, kind of daily stretch you can do morning, afternoon, evening when you have time, when you will be available. Never forget your body is your clock, so stay strong and keep practicing. Okay, take your mat and let's work. Sit down, kneeling first. Feel comfortable, inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, straight arms in front of you. Step back with your knees a little bit, and then from here, drive backwards. Your hips lengthening through the spine. Hold here a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly drive forward. Rotate your pelvis. Drive backwards, and move your hip back. And again, 2, 3. Nice and smooth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate your pelvis. 9 and 10. Move your hips back. Arms in front of you, and just push your chest down towards the ground and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then back up. Rotate your pelvis. Right arm placed in the middle. Left gonna open towards the side. We slightly move your hips back. Stretch. Feel your stretch in the right side. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7. In the right arm. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back forward again. Arms in front of you. Left in the middle. Right open towards the side. And open. Breathe. Feel the left side. 10, 9. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms in front of you. Knees closer. From here, we're gonna inhale. Again, drives our head backwards, arms on the ground, right? Exhale, we're gonna twist our body from towards the left side, opening our left arm. And back. 2. And back. 3. Straight arm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch. Right side. Inhale deeply and let's work. And back. 2. And continue. 3, 4, 5. Push. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. And release. Child pose. Arms in front of you. Push down your chest. First inhale. Drive your hips back. Chest towards the floor. Breathe here. 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up. Elbows on the ground. We're gonna work on our posture. Knees on the ground. If you feel pain in your knees, you can put something under. Yoga blocks, some pillows, what you want. Point your toes. From here, we're gonna inhale. We're gonna exhale. We're gonna open our right elbow up, pushing left elbow. So twisting our spine with upper body. Exhale. And switch left. And switch 10 times. Inhale. Let's work. Twist. And back. 2. Push. 3. Push. 4. Push. 5. Good. 6. 7, push, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, legs together. First, inhale deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Arms on the ground, toes on the ground. Rotate your pelvis, down facing dog. Breathe. 10, 9, straight legs. 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, your right leg goes in the middle. You raise your left leg up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right leg drives down towards the floor. Right leg goes straight up. Keep your hips square. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, your knee goes forward towards the chest, plank position, and you step forward. Hold. Raise your upper body in front, open your arms towards the side, and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, arms on the ground, again, down facing dog. Raise your left leg up, straight. Hold 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Right knee, left knee bend, it goes towards your chest. Lizard pose, step on the ground, and open your arms towards the side. Breathe. Hold. 10, 9, 8, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slightly drop your right knee on the ground. We're gonna do next 10 times. First, rotate your pelvis, engage your core low back. We're gonna slide forward, back to the middle, and we're gonna slide towards the side. And again, forward, and again towards the side. Here we go, 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Keep your low back and core tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push forward, keep your hips square, and just hold this stretch. Feel that stretch in the right and left side. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then raise your right leg straight, arms on the ground. We're back to down facing dog slowly. Hold down facing dog for 4 seconds. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg in front. Then we drop left knee on the ground, right? Back to middle position. Rotate the pelvis, and we do the same. Forward, side, 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. Forward, side. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In front, feel the stretch, fall forward, hip square, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, raise toes on the ground. You raise the left knee off, rhymes right on the ground, and go back to down facing dog. Hold now 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, slowly, plank position, way forward, plank position. You bend our left leg, open towards the side and go upper facing dog. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Then you raise your hip, your left leg slides towards the right side, and you do it the same way. Upper facing dog, but leg slide towards the side. Hold 3, 2, 1. And we're back. Down facing dog again. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing. Plank position, slide forward, upper facing dog, bend your right leg in, towards the side, and hold. Breath. 3, 2, 1. Raise your right leg, slide towards the left, and stretch. Hold. 3, 2, 1. And back again to down facing dog. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Release. Okay. Let's inhale first deeply and we continue. Exhale. Sit down. Left leg in front, right leg banded open towards the side. You grab your toes with your both arms and just feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch. Right leg go straight, left go banded. You grab your toes and stretch. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Then we are adding a little bit of mobility of our hips, and then we're going to stretch a little bit more. Elbows on the ground, right leg straight in front, We're going to rotate our left outside. Let's work 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch right side and 1, 2, push, 3 outside, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, up. Then we're gonna do frog. Open your knees towards the side, elbows on the ground. For those who can, as wide as possible. Try to keep your heels not too close, open a little bit wider. Try to have this 90 degrees angle in your hips. And from here, we're gonna move forward and backward. Forward and backward. If you feel pain, try to move very slow. Or if you feel very stiff, try to just stay stable. Hold. I'm gonna move, but you can do how you feel. Let's work. 1, 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Push your hips back as possible and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we slowly open our right leg straight, and if you can, just sit down. Again, if you cannot do the same as me, place a yoga block or a pillow under your butt, so you'll be higher, but you can maintain this shape. It's not very important to go so deep as I'm going if you cannot. Okay, inhale first, fall forward, hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. And if you can, right arm slide in, you grab with your left and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we switch. Slowly up, bend your right leg, knees on the ground, right knee on the ground, left leg open straight, and you slowly sit down. keeping your left leg straight. Keep in mind doing slow. Try to avoid injuries. Fold forward first. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back up. And again, if you can, left arm slide in. Right, grab your toe and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly open. We continue. We're gonna open our legs with pancake. Don't complain if your pancake, if your straddle split is not so big as mine. It doesn't matter. The most important, keep your lower back straight and fall forward. And hold this stretch, gentle stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up slowly. Okay, bend your legs in front of you. From here, just push with your knees towards the floor as low as possible and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close them, release. Good one. One more exercise for our hips. Left leg drives back, right leg also drives down. From here, inhale first, exhale and twist up. Hold this shape. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, left in front, right back, inhale, and twist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, release. Let's inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, the last good stretch I want you to do, lie down first. From here, relax totally, bend both your legs, grab your toes, and we're gonna push up our spine with legs together. So first, feel comfortable, inhale, exhale and push up as high as possible, and then hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. We're gonna do one more. Inhale first, exhale and push up. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Slowly arms on the ground. From here, raise up to plank position. We're gonna do down facing dog as the last one. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Knees on the ground. Let's inhale first deeply. Exhale. Another one. Exhale. Okay, nice and easy one. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Take care of yourself, take care of your body. Wish you all the best. Peace.